Christmas Eve right now, and it has a snow blizzard everywhere. Snow is coming everywhere, and there's like a pound of snow every time. Thanks. And I just made me a good snowball. If you see this video, go outside right now, tomorrow I mean, and make a snowball, and have a snowball fight, and make your snowman and the igloo.
How are you going to put your pants over your boots? Let's go outside. Roll over that way. Roll over. You like snow? Walking Devin's footprints.
How you doing, everybody?
Walking. No. Yeah, it's easy.
Oh, the weather
it's easier.
Outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we know a place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I love this.
Come on, you can make it to Devin. You can make it over there.
But I brought some corn for popcorn.
Go get it.
I took turn way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we
keep on going, don't get stuck, don't quit. You can make it.
How I hate to go out in that storm. But if you really
come on, go over to the fort with Devin.
All the way home I'll be warm. Fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. and gentlemen, Winston Fink and his fabulous strings. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, all are happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Having fun in the snow. Drinking rum and Coca-Cola. A beautiful sight, we're flying in kites. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate to go out in that wagon store. But if you really hold me tight, well, all the way home I'll be one. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear is still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, Daddy-o. Remember to tip your servers. One more song. Yeah, free bird. What?
Pretty cool, huh, Mom?
Yeah, super neat. Lots of snow. Blue sky.